Good morning to everybody. A warm and happy Republic Day to one and all. Today, the country is celebrating its 69th Republic Day. It is a joyous occasion and it's also a time to examine our lives in relation to the life of the nation. Republic Day is the day the Constitution of India came into force, and it was also on this day that Dr. Rajendra Prasad assumed office as the first president of the Indian Republic in 1950. It is incumbent upon us today to reflect upon the huge sacrifices made by our forefathers who fought hard for our independence. We are not only lucky to reap the fruits of the struggles, sacrifices, and even loss of lives of every great soul who did it for the sake of our freedom, but are also privileged to enjoy better living standards as a result of the development our nation has endured over the years. We have always been one amazing nation with such diversity, yet we are united. Today, we have the good fortune of being born in a free India, and we have the luxury to chase our dreams. Our democracy has shown the world that despite odds, the country has been marching on the path of progress. Despite its ever growing population, inflation, and political turbulence, Indian democracy has stayed afloat in an atmosphere of destabilizing conditions in the neighborhood. To have a functioning democracy with all its flaws for over 70 years in a country of over a billion who speak scores of different languages is nothing short of a miracle. We definitely are much better compared to the war ridden and terrorist infested countries. But this is where we can't be satisfied just as yet, as we could have done much better. To play a key role in the future of our country, let's first understand what patriotism is all about. Patriotism, children, is the emotion of having a strong sense of belongingness to our country. And it refers to the exhibition of extraordinary support for your country. To be genuinely patriotic, it's not enough if we just hoist our flag on the Republic Day. So, what do we do then to be genuinely patriotic? We have to develop a sense of responsibility in all aspects towards our nation, be it from the basic aspect of maintaining cleanliness, which I always keep telling you, and all the way to being a proactive in eradication of poverty and corruption. So let us take a pledge today, children, to stand united and not let caste, creed, region, political agendas, or any other factor, let it not divide us. Let us be the ones to initiate the change. No point always complaining and grumbling. There is no point in simply pointing fingers at the government or others. Let us choose the right leaders first of all, or become responsible leaders ourselves. Let us be the first to spring into action when our country needs. Be unconditional, unsung heroes without expectations. We need to educate, not merely make the children study. Support our economy by buying products made in India, as Make in India is a recent trend that is set into in the country, and ensure that everyone makes products in India. So let's also stop brain drain. We have lots of avenues, lot of career options in our own country, so there's no need for you to migrate abroad, and utilize our potential to contribute to the betterment of our nation. So let the national flag always fly in our hearts, and let's do our best to bring glory to the nation. Jai Hind.